Yo, Unlock Adil over here, and today Limpe got a super special car for you. Introducing Land Rover Discovery Sport Special Edition. Now, let's check it out.
Absolutely gorgeous. Original white with black color and 19-inch sport rims. Discovery Sport Special Edition 7-seater SUV also comes with panoramic roof. Powered by a 2-liter turbocharged non-hybrid engine, this is the last of its kind. Have a look from behind, such a super sporty look. Of course we have automatic tailgate. This car comes with 5+2 configuration and inside it is packed with features. As you can see, there is rear passenger aircon even for third row, as well as cup holders. Alright, let's close this. Now behind we have full black leather interior in fantastic condition, and of course check out the panoramic roof. And now let's go in. Alright, we are inside and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very cool looking cabin. I really like sitting here. Okay, so of course we have full leather steering wheel that comes with paddle shifters. We have traditional speedometer cluster with needles. I like this very much. Here's your infotainment system and aircon controls. This is your gear selector and electric parking brake. Couple of cup holders, storage unit here that can move forward for you to make it comfortable for your elbow. Also, as you can see, this all high quality leather stitched very beautifully. Even got ambient light for you guys. And one more thing here, of course, place to put sunglasses. Beautiful ceiling in black color, and the highlight of course is the panoramic roof. Very cool.
On COE, we still have 6 years and 1 month. That means a lot of time for you to enjoy this beautiful car. Also, in terms of DPRI, you're only looking at $24,000 for this type of 7-seater special edition Land Rover SUV. This is really a good deal. Now you all know what to do. Call me. Limpe give you a great deal.